of anthropology, sociology, and political science. Anthropology is the study of human, their close relatives, and the cultural environment. What are the nature and goals of anthropology? The goals of anthropology is to pursue a holistic understanding of what it means to be human by understanding the relationship between human biology, language, and culture. What is sociology? Sociology is the study of human social relationship and distribution. What are the natures and goals of sociology? The ultimate goal of sociology is to acquire knowledge about society like all the other social science disciplines. What is political science? Political science is a classical discipline that deals with the study of political phenomena. Its goals is to deepen human understanding of human formal and nature of political action, and to develop their the- theoretical tools for interpreting politically meaningful phenomena.